it is a secret. We taught this channel because it was the only way she could move through all of the strange things she experiences. Sometimes to navigate the contact landscape, you have to keep walking forward, especially when you experience doubt. Because doubt is kind of like a doorway, an initiatory doorway that you walk through that alters your vibration. And the more and more that you walk through the door, through your doubt, the more and more you alter your vibration, and the more and more you develop the capacity and the strength to operate in doubt. So this is a paradox where you are being asked to, in a sense, sit in your doubt and experience all of this even with the presence of doubt. Now this is, we don't want to get too nerdy here. This is very much one of Hamon's teachings from Sirius about this idea of resting in paradox. This is going to serve you greatly. And if you allow yourself to keep resting in the doubt, but moving forward and not letting it stop you, you're going to start to see shifts in your contact where the contacts will maybe make more sense or have a sense of continuity to them that is different than what you are experiencing now. It may or may not lead to more physical manifestation, but at least right now, the physical manifestation is not the most important thing. You are laying a groundwork within your consciousness with the spiritual contacts that is the most important thing. Does this make sense to you?